Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you a few items I've picked up here and there to use in decorating my home. So I hope you'll stay tuned. Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some items I picked up at various places to use as home decor in my house. Some of it is related to the areas I've been remodeling, and some of it's just ordinary decorating items. And I picked them up from a variety of places: Michael's, Walmart, Target, and even Home Depot. So let's get started. So most of the items that I've purchased are for use in my bonus room. And my bonus room is a pretty big room that is upstairs. It's like a third living room space, but it's quite large, and we have it in various zones. We have a home theater area, we have a computer workstation area, and I also have a sewing area. And I want to add some decor to my sewing area, as well as some functional pieces. And so one of the things I picked up were these cork boards. I got 2 of them from the Target dollar spot, and they were $5 a piece, which I thought was a pretty good price, because if you put them together, they're pretty good size. They're a foot square, so they are, 1 foot by 2 foot. You can arrange them in different configurations. I'm not quite sure how I will put them. I may put them side by side like this. But I wanted to have a place where I could post up instructions or pictures of things that I'm working on that I needed to see. So they have a white melamine looking frame, and I have white in my sewing area, which is why I picked that. And I think they're meant for like dorm and school organization, but I'm going to use them for sewing. Speaking of my sewing area, I want to add some decorative pictures. So I got these frames. They are also white. They come with a mat, and it's a pack of 2 that you can get at Michael's. And I actually used my 40% off coupon that I had. I think it was on all items, not just regular priced items. And these were actually on sale when I got them. I think the pack of 2 was $19.99, and I got some additional money off because of the coupon. So I thought that was a great deal. And what I'm going to put in there are some of my daughter's drawings that she has done. My daughter has studied fashion design, and they make these drawings they call croquis. And here's an example of one. She actually made this ball gown, but I want to frame a couple of these and put them up in the sewing area as decor. So I will be doing that. So those are the things for my sewing area. Now here's a piece that I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put it. I might put it in my built-in bookcases. But I happened to be at Walmart looking for florals, and right near the florals they have their clearance section. And I found this plaque, and it says, "Family is where life begins," and then the end of it says, "Love never ends." Well, this plaque was originally $20, and I don't know if you can see this, but look, $5. And it's a good size. It's 20 inches by 12. And these are the colors that I have in my bonus room. So I thought for $5 I couldn't pass it by. So that is my other decor piece for my bonus room. Okay, so if you saw my last haul video, I showed some of these little bins that I got from the Target dollar spot. And I went to a different Target and I found some more, and they're working really well in my closet. So I got some more of the medium-sized ones and the small-sized ones. But I also decided to get one of the big ones, which they had there. They didn't have this color at the first place I went. And the big bin is $7. And I am going to be using this on one of the shelves in my closet to hold my scarves. Right now I have my scarves hung up, but I think I want to roll them and put them in here because they are bulky and they are taking up a lot of hanging space, and they're just, some of them are long, some of them are short. So I think if I roll them up and put them in this bin, it'll work a lot better. So that's the only thing I got from Target for this haul. Now my last item is from Home Depot, and you may not think you can get decorative items from Home Depot, but you can. This is a cache-pot. Well, it doesn't have to be a cache-pot. It's actually a planter with an attached drip pan on it, and as you can see from the inside, there is a hole down in here, and it goes through into that bottom drip pan area to allow water to flow through. And I got this particular pot for my orchid. Now, I did show earlier this year how to take care of an orchid, and if you haven't seen that video, I will link it for you. But it needs to be repotted, and the container it's in is not very good for an orchid. Orchids, you need to actually flush water through them and let it run out, and it's in a little fake wooden drawer thing. So in order to water it properly, you have to let the water soak through the wood. It's very messy. So I thought this would be good. The water can flush through the hole in the bottom of the pot, and any excess can come through and go into the drip pan area as it's leaching through once I've let most of the water run out. So that is my decorative item from Home Depot. And then in order to repot it, I did have to pick up some orchid potting mix. Orchids like to be in bark or sphagnum moss because they grow on the sides of trees in nature. So you want to make sure you get a potting mix that is specifically for orchids. And this one is for the epiphytic orchids, the ones that do grow on the sides of the trees. There are a few that need a little bit finer mix, but this is the coarse blend that I need for my orchid. So I'll show you how to do that in another video. Well, that's it for my this and that haul. If you like this video, why don't you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And as I mentioned in the intro, if you are new to my channel, I do post several videos a week on creatively managing and decorating your home. You can subscribe if you like this sort of thing by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. I want to thank all of you for watching. I'm getting very close to 1,000 subscribers. That's a big hurdle for those of you who may not have your own YouTube channel. So I really appreciate all of the support that everyone's been giving to me over this past year or so. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.